Here are 7 great trails and parks to take toddlers on when hiking. 1. The Chattahoochee Nature Center Trail, located in Roswell. 2. The Cascade Spring Nature Preserves, located in Atlanta. 3. Panola Mountain State Park, located surprisingly in Stockbridge, Georgia. 4. Vickery Creek Trail, located in Roswell, Georgia. 5. Anna Ruby Falls, located in Helen, Georgia. 6. One trail that we recently found out is Vogel State Park's trail around their lake. Number 7. One hike that we've always enjoyed, even when our daughter was not even probably able to walk, was actually taking her to High Falls State Park. But more than anything, always watch your surroundings and enjoy yourself while you're hiking.